Now I'm going to show you how to build the front end chassis of the trimmer mower. Okay? Some tools that you need: a ruler, marker, pliers, a crescent wrench, or two pliers. That'll work. I have my reusable tie lock, and I also have the part that goes in the shaft of the trimmer. Okay, so I have that piece and its other pieces. Now, what I did was I went ahead and marked where you need the to put the pieces at. Here's 3 inches. Basically, I measured approximately 3 inches from the edge, and then 6 inches from the edge. See that? Okay. With my ruler. Now, another thing that I wanted to do is, when I bought my bike training wheels, okay, you see it has the holes, and it has a little small hole there, and it has a lever. Okay, watch what happens when I pull the lever. I'm going to pull it this way, and it drops down to the second hole, and then I push the lever back in. Okay, so that gives me this. I'll do it again. Okay, that's how it came in a package, and I can adjust it by turning it here, pulling the lever, and then letting it pull out through the second hole, so it looks like this. Okay, now I'll do the next one same way. The right side, straight, turn it and lock it in. So now I have 2 that look like this. Okay, and this will be my front end right here. This will be the front, that'll be the front, and that's pointing towards the back. Okay, so I'll show it again. Then I'll take it and I'll turn it this way for you. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to connect these 2 pieces together. Okay, I already turned it down. Here's the bolt. What I do is I just put the bolt. I put the bolt in the first one, because we want to attach these 2 wheels together. Okay, and I get the second one and put it through the hole, and then I put my lock washer on, and then I screw the bolt in, but I don't screw it tight. I'm leaving everything loose until I have it fitted on, so it's loose. See, it's attached and it's loose. So it's through that hole. Let you take a good look. You see it has 3 large holes, and then it has that little one. Okay, that's the one I'm attaching it to. So now it's holding. Okay? Got that? Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to attach this. I'm going to attach this onto the. Put it on the stick. So I got the 6 inches, and I want to place it on this mark right here, with this pointing up. Okay, that's going to be up. See how I got it at the first mark? That's about 6.5 inches from the edge. Okay? You see that? 6.5 inches. And it's pointing up. Okay. Now, the next thing I will do is that I will simply place it on top of the wooden dowel. And also the wooden dowel has to be about the same size as the pole, as the trimmer shaft. Okay, you can find that in a hardware store. Okay, so what I do next is I place this part on top. It turned. Okay. All right, and then see the screws are evened up. You can see the screws. See how the bolt and they're even, because this is keeping it together. And now I'm going to attach the wheel to this part right here. Okay? And what I do is, this part came from the package with the training wheels. I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to use it as a lock washer. Okay? And then I'm going to take this round lock washer and I'm going to put it on top of that. And I'm putting it in the last hole. Position that again. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm holding it like that. I have it over the hole. Okay, so I put that piece in, and then I put this lock washer right on top of that, and then I drop the screw in so it goes through and through the other side. See that? Okay. See that? That acts like a lock washer too. Now I'm going to put the knob on the other side. And tighten it. Oh, I missed the hole. Okay, there you go. See how that goes? Now I'm putting it, and I make sure that the two screws, well, this bolt will keep them aligned. I make sure, and then I just tighten it. Okay? Now another thing that I do, you see how this rolls? It can roll now. See? There you go. That's the front end chassis. Okay, now to secure the chassis, the front end, because it may do this, it may lift up. See how this lifts up? It'll lift up. So to secure that to the wooden dowel, what I will do is I will use a tie lock. Okay, a reusable tie lock. So with this tie lock, I simply slip it into that hole. Let me make sure I got it the right way. Okay, slip it through that hole. Lift it up, slip it through that hole. Slide it around the dial and back into there, and then I slip it through the metal training wheel hole. Okay, now that I got it like that, let me show you how. Give you a close look. Okay, see, it goes through here and then under the dial and then back on this side and then through through the hole in the training wheel and comes out this way, and then I lock it down, turn it this way, okay, I can just lock it down like that. See that? I'll let you see it. I'll turn it around. So this keeps the dial from, keeps the training wheels from moving. Okay, you got it? Now it's able to roll. See that? Okay, that's the front end. Now what I'm going to do is we won't forget about the bolt with the screw in it. I'm tightening it. Okay, I can just take some pliers and just tighten that bolt. Okay. Okay, it's pretty sturdy now. See? Now it's rolling. Okay? Alright, this is basically the completion of the front end of the trimmer mower. There you go. Top view, front view, bottom view, side view. Alright, we'll move on to assembling this chassis to the trimmer and also to the back wheels. Stay tuned.